like a product review. It's a review about a smartwatch. Our smartwatch is called Amazfit Verge, and it's actually great. It's a mid-range smartwatch. It's neither cheap or expensive, definitely not expensive. And I'm gonna talk about the smartwatch more, but first we are gonna make the unboxing. Okay, let's start. This is a outer box. It's like a protective box. We take them out. It's not built so well, but this is our real watch. There's a logo and text of Amazfit out there, and eventually it's stuck. So I have a knife and I'm gonna make this hard open. Finally, it's opened. Let's take this here. Yeah, this is our smartwatch. It's stuck here. I can't take it off. And yeah, there's a little hook out there. So let's take it, and yeah. Here it says the charging cable. There's a sign of it and the instructions. So let's take this off. This is our smartwatch. It's not booted, so let's boot it on. Alright, press this little orange or red button. I don't know which color it is, but it's like something in between. Let's push it. And yeah, here is the logo and it's opening. So when this smartwatch is opening, I wanna talk about it. Actually, I am gonna show you the instruction papers and the charging cable first. So this is our charging cable. Unfortunately, it's not like some other watches charging cable like Apple Watch or Galaxy Watch. It's not magnetic. You need to put this watch on here. It's kind of bad, but it's not a problem because this watch has an approximately 5 days of battery life. Why does it have a good battery life like that? Because first, it's kind of thick, so you can fit up a big battery inside it, and because it's not such an advanced smartwatch, the software inside is not wanting to using too much power. So, and one more reason, there is no important components inside that takes up a lot of power. So yeah, let's move on. I am back again. So we are gonna talk about the #1 reason why many people buy smartwatches, and it's fitness, like making sports activities, and the smartwatch with its sensors counts them. Let me show you. So with this smartwatch you can actually track your heartbeat. Tap the button and the icon, check now, and as you can see, it started. There is this green lights. These lights are getting transmitted to your body, and it's like a ultraviolet light, and it just tracks your heartbeat and then gives you the final result like this. And I think I'm dead. And here is the sports mode. We can run, walk, or free exercise. We also have extra modes for professionals like soccer, tennis, skiing, trail run, and more. One of the biggest cons of the smartwatch is actually the number of the sport modes. There is only 10 modes so far, and the competitor watches that is also mid-range with same price has more than 90. It can even track your road with a compass and GPS, as you can see. Or we can even set the brightness. Hi, I'm back. It's nighttime because after I did all the shooting, running and walking in outdoors, I am tired and I needed to take a lot of nap. So, what I want to talk about here is the straps. How to change the straps of the watch, or you can also say bands or loops. So, especially women who uses their smartwatch as an accessory and make combines with their clothes will be happy to know this. So this actually has a classical band system. You just plug this lever here. It's kind of hard, and it goes off. The other one. Okay, it's not working. My bad. Oh, it's not working. Okay, here it is. So yeah, it's all been plugged off. So in case if you want to know how light or heavy this smartwatch is, I am gonna measure it right now. So this is about 30 kilograms, and with this is about this much kilograms. I can't see it right now. Oh, it's 49. Okay, let's get back. So you just plug this here and then pull this lever like that, and yeah, it's all good. Let's make the same for the other band. You just plug it here. Oh, finally. Finally. Unfortunately, there is no easy plugging mechanism like Apple Watches on this watch. Now, let's talk about the software and the visual design of the watch. Let's take a quick tour inside the watch. You can just move it like that and the display gets opened. Only the display gets opened. If you want to activate the watch, we need to press to the button. Now let me show you the notification center. This is the notification center. There is motivating things and WhatsApp messages. And here is the control panel. We can access the settings quickly from here. The do not disturb mode, the plane mode, the silence mode, and of course, just like how I talked about, the brightness. And you can also power off or reboot the watch. Okay, let me show you the apps. This is health app. You can track your health basics here. This is not activity app or pulse app though. And this is the heart rate app. It's kind of buggy. This is the sports app. You can track your misclick. And you can see your contacts here or even dial them up. And sleep. You can sometimes track your sleep. I don't track my sleep because it's not so handy and it takes out battery, but here is an example how it's done. And many more. We can also play music because our watch has speakers and a microphone. Just a quick example. That's enough. And the alarm app, weather app, find my phone app, timer, stopwatch, and compass. This is an APK file. This is kind of techy. And the settings app. Things are basic here. You can set the basic settings here. So finally, before finishing up, I want to talk about the customization. We can drag our finger up like that, and here is the watch faces. I usually use this one, or sometimes this one, but my favorite is always this one. Here are the other ones. And yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed the video, and this is the end. Goodbye.